GetonAgain Technology Co., Limited, established in 2019 and located in Beiyodi District, Tianjin, with its headquarters, R&D Center, and Production Center, spans 18,000 square meters. It directly oversees 5 subsidiaries: Tianjin GetonAgain Software Co., Ltd., Shenzhen GetonAgain Software Co., Ltd., Tianjin GetonAgain Trading Co., Ltd., Beijing KDKM Technology Co., Ltd., and GetonAgain Technology Hong Kong Co., Ltd. Branches are located in Shenzhen, Dongguan, Taiyuan, Hong Kong, Taiwan, Vietnam, Hanoi, Bandung, India, New Delhi, Bangalore, Bangladesh, Dhaka, Chittagong, Pakistan, Mexico, and Germany, providing global technical support and after-sales service. The company owns brands GetonAgain, KDKM, and holds numerous software copyrights and technical patents. Most products are CE certified, and the company integrates R&D, production, sales, and service as a high-tech enterprise. It is ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and ISO 45001 certified. The company quality policy ensures all processes meet customer requirements through digitalization and AI-driven improvements, aiming for world-class standards with safety, health, and environmental focus. Participating in over 40 global trade shows annually, it serves customers in more than 60 countries, including major exhibitions in Germany, Italy, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Vietnam, Taiwan, Shanghai, Guangzhou, and Shenzhen. Main products include industrial asset management systems, environmental monitoring management systems, smart shelves, Beatles classified enterprise and park-wide solutions, computerized wire stitching machines, tape applicators, cut piece visual inspection instruments, inkjet plotters, AI drawing machines, high-speed multi-needle quilting machines, computerized multi-needle quilting machines, large area pattern recognition sewing machines, computerized quilting embroidery machines, fully automatic filling machines, computerized tufting machines, and other automation equipment, home textile cord carding and quilting production lines, intelligent tufting CAD, wire stitching CAD, perforation and embroidery CAD, garment CAD, and super nesting industrial CAD software systems, garment draping mannequins, fully automatic winding machines, etc. We provide customers in the apparel, home textiles, furniture, automotive interiors, medical protection, and industrial textiles industries with solutions for digital design, machine automation, resource networking, management informatization, business data-driven operations, and intelligent manufacturing, including software, machines, production lines, complete factory equipment, and digital transformation solutions. GetonAgain Technology adheres to the business philosophy of integrity and people-oriented and market demand-oriented, driven by technological innovation, with the mission of industry digitization and digital industrialization. The company deeply implements the development strategy of 6 modernizations in words, 6 modernizations in action, self-6 modernizations, and customer 6 modernizations, promoting the high-quality Chinese manufacturing of flexible material-related industries globally.